with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the Civic Type R spare wheel kit. As you see in this big gigantic box, I have the spare wheel kit with the Continental 18-inch tire already mounted to the wheel, and it comes with the toolkit and the top cover section that covers the top of it. So on the side of the box, it is, again, as you see, it's a genuine Honda part. And it looks like the kit assembly NH900L, and it's part number 06421-TGH-A13ZA. And that is for the wheel assembly kit. This does not include the 18-inch Continental tire that you have to purchase separately. You can get on your own, or you could purchase through Honda. They had to open it to mount the tire. So here's the top portion that covers the toolkit and the spare wheel kit. I'm going to see if this is any different than what already comes with the Type R. Here's this funky looking wheel and the 18-inch Conti, and looks like that's the toolkit. Pulling the wheel out. Maximum PSI is 60. The tire is T125/70 R18 99M. It's tubeless CST17. My local Honda dealer took care of mounting it for me, so I appreciate that. Is the top portion that covers . So this is the spare tire lid, part number 84521-TGH-E52ZA. This is the box component tool, which you seat inside the spare wheel. I have plastic on here, but the tools go ahead and insert on the top part of here. This part number specifically is 84541-TGH-K50. We got the jack stand. The tool set. And some miscellaneous, looks like spare tire stickers and a new door panel sticker. So here's all the contents that was inside that box. Jack, tool set, stickers, miscellaneous things, the toolbox component, obviously the wheel and the 18-inch Conti that's on it, and the spare lid. So here's a few miscellaneous items that came in that small baggie. This is a valve rim, 42753-TV0-E11. I'm not too sure if this was supposed to go on it, that Honda should have put on there or not. I don't know if it's a spare. You guys let me know in the comments. Spacer tire pan, 74685-TGH-A00. Some type of spacer, feels like maybe magnetic. Maybe it's for the top portion to cover it, I'm not sure. Tire placard, 42762-TGH-A30. This is the new driver door placard to show you the spare tire specs, how much PSI is needed, things of that nature. So that's pretty cool. Add that on there now. You'll notice on yours, if on your Type R spare, it'll say none. So this replaces that. A spare tire decal. And this just looks like a tool for fastening down the spare wheel, 74654-TGG- so the anchor bolt adapter, 74665-TEX-Y00. That comes with that small baggie as well that I missed. So as we get our Type Rs, it doesn't come with the spare wheel kit, of course. Look at these love bugs. If any of you are in Florida, you understand. this up. Comes with the compressor. So how to get the original trunk lid removed so you can put the new one on that came with the kit. You're gonna see there's a screw in here. This was down like that. I just put a flathead screwdriver in here, slightly popped it up, and then I need to do that on the other side. Obviously you do the same for the other side. When you get this wheel in, you want to put the face of the wheel upside down, and you're going to have this piece here. Make sure you have this facing up, and then you're just going to screw this down, and you're going to keep screwing it down all the way until it's tight enough where it can hold this wheel down. So you're going to have these metal clips underneath the very back portion that seats up against the back seats here. Again, here's the trunk. Looks like these plastic clips were in here, so I just gently pulled it up and it came up.
Just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I get a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. We should open up a window. I can't see clear. Yes, I know how to window, 'cause it's just my habits. I can't describe it.
Once you have the lid installed, put some of the jack tools inside the portion that goes inside the wheel on the top. It's nice and snug. Just know that when you have this trunk lid on top of here, you're going to lose inches. You're going to have some space taken away from you. It sits a lot higher. I still have to tuck these in. You have your tools sitting in there. There's a compartment here where you can put your toolkit in and your jack stand. I have it in that wrapper there just to protect it. It's a little nifty spot there. You know, you just take off, you just spin this on the top, spin it off, and pull it off, and put that in there. And this goes back. Alrighty, she's in there clean. This side fits really well. It's one thing this side isn't. I'm not understanding if I did something improper or wrong. It's not the greatest fit. I don't know if Honda, since it doesn't come standard with it, maybe it's just something janky about it. I'm not sure. I have to do a little more tweaking. And as you see here, guys, this has the spare tire specs, and this one does not. It came on the factory, so I'm just going to put this right over top of it and call it a day.